Nestled in the serene Hudson Valley, the M residence stands on a 7-acre wooded property, originally built in the 1980s. When the creative-minded owners approached Takatina for a complete renovation, the goal was clear: to transform the mid-century house into a modern retreat that balances rustic charm with contemporary elegance. Every design decision reflects a desire to create a calming atmosphere while showcasing the couple's curated collection of modern furnishings and art pieces. Inside, the renovation highlights warm and tactile materials that embrace comfort and refinement. On the ground floor, the original exposed wood framing remains, paired with reclaimed century-old terracotta tiles and underfloor heating. Warm white walls and restored wooden ceilings create a soft backdrop, while ribbon windows flood the interiors with natural light that shifts beautifully throughout the day, enhancing the home's connection to its natural surroundings. The heart of the home lies in its kitchen, dining, and living area, anchored by a striking 12-foot custom island. Crafted with honey-stained oak veneer and a limestone countertop, it features a sculptural Vola faucet and integrated pit cooktop system, blending functionality with artistry. Even the guest bathroom carries the spirit of refined detail, with ribbed glass panels that allow light to filter in softly, creating a play of reflections across wood-paneled walls and a sense of privacy without sacrificing brightness. Upstairs, the master suite was completely reimagined to include a rooftop garden and a serene bathing pavilion. The A-frame bedroom offers sweeping views of the woods, framed by pine floors and a Noguchi pendant light. bathroom, sculptural limestone vanities, checkerboard pattern tiles, and a freestanding tub create a spa-like environment, illuminated by a skylight that fills the space with a gentle glow. With plans for a guest pavilion and carport in its next phase, M Residence continues its journey as a modern sanctuary rooted in nature.